This is a piece of paper. So it's a white piece of paper here. It is white. Is this a yellow piece of paper? No, it's not a yellow piece of paper. It's a white piece of paper. Is this a purple piece of paper? No, it's not a purple piece of paper. It's a white piece of paper. And now somebody is writing. They are writing on the paper. They are writing on the paper here. See, there is somebody here is writing on the paper here. This is a pair of scissors. So this is a pair of scissors here. And now somebody is cutting. They are cutting the paper. So they are cutting this piece of white paper with the scissors. They are cutting the paper with the scissors. They are cutting the paper in half. See? One half, another half. So they are cutting it in half. And then there will be two pieces of paper because this person is cutting the paper in half with a pair of scissors. This is a nose. This is his nose right there. See, this is his nose. Also, he has two eyes. Two eyes here. One eye is here. Another eye is here. So he has two eyes and he has a mouth. There is a mouth here. This is his mouth. And he also has ears. So this is one of his ears here. He has ears and he has hair. So there is hair on his head. He has black hair on his head. Does he have green hair? No, of course not. He does not have green hair. He has black hair. He has black hair, black eyes, a nose, a mouth, and two ears as well. Now the man is smelling. He is smelling something. He is smelling something with his nose. So with his nose, he can smell something. So he can smell something here. And here, the man is smelling something again. He is smelling with his nose. He is smelling this flower. So he is smelling this yellow flower. Is this a red flower? No, it's not a red flower. It's a yellow flower. And the man is smelling the yellow flower with his nose. This is a clock. This is a clock here. And there are two hands on the clock. Yes, hands or hands. There are two hands on the clock. So the big hand is pointing. The big hand is pointing at 12. So the big hand is pointing at 12, and the little hand is pointing at 5. So the big hand is pointing at 12, and the little hand is pointing at 5. So what time is it? What is the time? What time is it? Well, it is 5 o'clock. So it's 5 o'clock here because we can see the big hand is pointing to the 12 and the little hand is pointing to the 5. So it's 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock now. Now, the big hand is pointing to the number 3. It's pointing to the number 3. And the little hand is still pointing to 5. the number 5. So what time is it? What time is it now? Well, it is 5:15. It's 5:15 because it is 15 minutes past 5. So it is 5:15 because it's 15 minutes past 5. Or we can say it is quarter past. It's quarter past 5 now. It's 5:15, yes, or it's quarter past 5 because it is 15 minutes past 5 o'clock. 15 minutes past. Now the big hand is pointing to the number 6. So the big hand is pointing to the number 6 here. So what time is it? What time is it now? It is 5:30 now. It's 5:30. It is 5 o'clock, but it is 30 minutes past 5 o'clock. So it is 5:30. That's the time. The time is 5:30 now. Or the time is 6:30. 5, sorry. 5:30. The time is also 5:30 because it is half an hour past 5 o'clock. Half an hour past 5. 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes past 5 o'clock. So it's 5:30. Now the big hand is pointing at the 9. The big hand is pointing at the 9. So now, what time is it? What time is it now? It is 5:45. It's 5:45 because it is 45 minutes past 5 o'clock. So 15 minutes, 15 minutes, and 15 minutes. So it is 45 minutes past 5. So the time is 5:45. 5:45 is the time. Or we can say it is 5:45. It's 5:45. See? Because it is 15 minutes before 6 o'clock. 15 minutes before 6 o'clock. So we can say the time is 5:45. It's 5:45 now. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.